Hello, my name is Douglas Pinkham with Pinkham Associates. We are a dedicated family law and divorce firm here in Orange County, California. I often get questions from potential clients or existing clients, and I answer those questions for my clients or potential clients, but I thought it would be a good idea to start putting them on video for the benefit of you folks. One of the questions I get, not too terribly often, but sometimes, is one spouse will ask the other spouse, hey, why don't we just hire one attorney to represent us both? Can we do that? And the answer to that is technically no. You can hire one attorney to assist you both in the paperwork and the process and putting together your initial filings, your disclosures, your judgment, and all the process. One attorney could even help you guys obtain information from the other party as you are allowed to do in any divorce or legal separation or a dissolution of a partnership. However, so let's get back to the question. Can we hire one attorney to represent us both? And you cannot. An attorney cannot represent both parties on opposite sides of an issue. However, like I said, you both could hire one person to mediate your divorce and to assist you guys with the paperwork to get through that. Here at Pinkham Associates, I do mediation. Some of my business, about a third of my business, is mediated divorces, where both parties come in, sit down with me, and I don't represent either one, but I make them sign, and I make them sign a waiver of that conflict. Because understand, when one spouse asks me a question, I'm going to answer that legal question and give that party legal advice right here, right now, right in front of the other spouse. Obviously, that's a conflict. And then when the other spouse asks me a question, I'm going to answer that question as if I'm representing that person on our own, but their spouse is sitting right next to them hearing the answer. So obviously there is an initial, or there's an innate conflict there. But when we sign a waiver and we know that we're doing a mediated divorce, in actuality, the state of California loves that. We avoid the court system. We don't take up the court system's time. The parties love it because they spend a heck of a lot less money, a heck of a lot less time. It's way easier to get along through the process. When we put an agreed upon judgment together, both parties are way more likely to follow it and follow it to the letter. You know you're getting something that you like better because we negotiated it right here, right now. And the parties never have to meet a judge, never have to go to court. It's a fantastic process. I find in the 20 years of doing this, or almost 20 years of doing this divorce thing, that the people that come to see me for mediations, and I'm not judging, I'm just saying this is what I have found to be the case through the years. Generally, they're more educated. Generally, they have more money. And that's not because I'm more expensive or the process is more expensive. A mediated divorce is way less expensive. Way less expensive. However, they're smarter. They're brighter. They know what they're doing. They know what they want. They know they don't want to give all their money to attorneys. They know they want to get through the process quicker, simpler. They want to get a settlement that they both agree to, something that they can live with. We do that through a mediated divorce. It's very simple. So, can you both hire one attorney to help you? Absolutely. Call me, Doug Pinkham, Pinkham Associates. I'd be happy to help you with your mediated divorce. But one attorney can't actually represent you both. One attorney couldn't go to court for one of you and help the other one in any way. So, I hope this answered that question. If you have any other questions, or if you're considering a mediated divorce, absolutely give us a call at Pinkham Associates. We can help you. We're even coming up with a process where we would be able to help a couple do a mediated divorce over Skype. So we could literally help parties get a divorce through a mediated process anywhere in the state of California, even if you two live in separate areas in the state of California. If this is something you might be interested in, absolutely give us a call. Be happy to talk to you. Thank you. I hope this has been helpful.